And while we have it all set up here, I am right here and I can now just play without being so talkative. And these can be beautiful opportunities to see some B-rolls. Directional change. This is nice. I was holding on to it, giving it a spin, and then releasing it. Allowing the flow of the air to bend properly. And so now I'm going to disengage and disengage. Just let it flow. And of course, as you see, as it'll disengage and let it flow, it does its things. But it's not as energetic anymore. I withdrew myself through wheel force away out of those outlets. I'm not pushing any energy into them. And so because I'm not pushing any energy into them, they're not lighting up like a light bulb. If I were to use willpower and turn a switch, I can start getting some energy and movement through here again. But you have to make this practice happen. You can't just not do this practice. You have to do this practice because this practice is what's going to make difference in your personal evolution. You have to feel this. You have to see this. You have to go through this. You can't piggyback on me. I can't give it that to you. I'm sorry. So don't ask. But what you could do is you can spend time with me and you can learn this amazing art and the science, of course, behind this all. I mean, wouldn't you want to learn this stuff if you saw that this is actually real? for yourself. No, for yourself, for yourself. What have you been saying here? You wanted me to show you around so you can't be confused? You know, there is no fan here. There is absolutely no fan over there. There's absolutely no fan over here. There's absolutely no fan over here. Nothing over here. No fans. No fans, but you know what? The Creator created this beautiful system so where it's responsive to you, especially when the conditions are right. And you can use that as your source of energy to get this happening. Of course, nothing over here. No, nothing over here. I could walk around here forever just to convince you guys that, I'm working a 3D space. These are my feet. And this is my garden. I could have done much better. And I will do better next year. And you got it. So if I were to come up to this, and I see that it's already pretty much going, it's very much responsive to my excitement showing you guys this beautiful, oh, now that's funny.